Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Dodge Charger, and if you need to find the fuses for ABS brakes, for traction control, stay with us, we'll explain that. You have multiple fuses guys, we'll explain why it's super important to test them, and we'll teach you guys how to test fuses and relays as well, so make sure to stay tuned and we'll cover super helpful information in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. If you have a Dodge Charger, we'll be making even more. We'll be taking it completely apart, we'll be taking that engine apart, transmissions, anything practically, and we'll even have the 5.7 engine coming as well. Now, why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, replacement parts, relays for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can guys save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So what do we have specifically here? Dodge Charger guys, and this is a 3.6 engine, but even if you have a different engine, procedure is very similar. This is the fuse box right here. You will have two tabs that you need to squish towards each other, pull out, and you can just put the cover that way, and the layout of the fuses here corresponds to what we have right there. So we have multiple fuses, okay, that we need to check now. The first fuse that we need to check guys, it's known as fuse number F5, but this is actually guys the forward fuse from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4. That fuse right here is for traction control and ABS guys. Now you will have one more. Which one will be? F6, the next one next to this one. These fuses are really hard to find out if they're burnt or not in some cases, so we'll recommend to remove and test them. It takes only a couple seconds, and we'll put a link to a video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to teach relays if you need help with that. That relay was loose, and you can find out, because let's say you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you start driving, but you still have the problem, you spend money and time to fix that problem. So in that case guys, okay, it will cost quite a bit of money and time when all we had to do is test the fuse. Then you have two more fuses that are responsible for the ABS and traction control too, and one of those is fuse number 36, and I'm talking about, okay, we're talking about that fourth fuse, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that fuse number 4, that fuse here needs to be checked as well. Then you have another one which is fuse number 39. This is for the EPS traction control as well, right here guys. Okay, that fuse, the very first fuse on the right side in that row, that fuse right here needs to be checked as well. If you still have problems with ABS light on or traction control light on, we'll guys make a video why ABS light is on, why traction control light is on. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.